Hi friends and welcome to another video of Just Being Honest. In today's video, I'm going to share more about Aztech Global and how does it make money. This company recently went IPO in March 2021 at $1.28 and is now trading at $0.885. Before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. Aztec is a key technology enabler for the connected world of tomorrow, with a focus on providing one-stop design and manufacturing services. It is supported by their core strengths in R&D, design, engineering, and manufacturing, and their key products are IoT devices, data communication products, and LED lighting products. Leveraging on their expertise, they are able to provide a one-stop service of design and manufacturing to blue-chip customers, technology startups, and other companies with innovative products. They provide OEM, ODM, JDM, or CMS services to brand owners sold under the label of the respective customers. They distribute a wide range of IoT devices and data communication products sold under their proprietary Aztec and Kala brands through channel partners and e-commerce platforms. They also have LED lighting products, and they manufacture a wide range of LED lighting products used in residential, commercial, and industrial applications, and they specialize in the design and development of smart lighting systems. And they also have other electrical products, whereby they manufacture and sell two categories of electrical products, namely kitchen appliances and other home and living products, with more than 11 product lines and more than 35 models of electrical products. Some examples are your smart security cameras, IoT lighting products, home plugs, satellite modems, climate control mattresses, and tracking devices. The key geographical markets are North America, Europe, and others, where North America takes the lion's share at 59.7%, and Europe comes in at second at 32.9%, and the rest is by others at 7.4%. They have over 30 years of record with more than 290 customers globally in more than 40 countries. They have 2,685 employees worldwide, and they have 4 R&D centers located in Singapore, Hong Kong, and the PRC, and they have 3 factories in Dongguan, PRC, and Johor, Malaysia. Now let's take a look at their company's website. They have 2 websites. One is Aztec and the other one is Kyla. We shall now look at the Aztec website first. So from their website, there isn't much information that you can get from it. So if let's say I were to click on expertise, and if I were to scroll down through the website, they basically just talk about what are the things that they have done, what are the products that they have, but you don't really get to see pictures of the products that they actually produce. It's just more on the industry that they are focusing on. So if I click on design to build, so this is most likely their ODM or OEM, whereby they help other companies to manufacture and produce their products. So companies will pay them for the hard labor. Then if I were to click on products, so this will actually lead you to the Kyla website, which is most likely their retail website facing. So you can see that these are the products that they actually have. So let's say if I click on shop, so if I'm looking through from the website, you can see that they produce a Wi-Fi ceiling light, a smart station, a smart plug, a smart hub, a wall switch light. They also have a smart ceiling light. Then they have a smart Wi-Fi curtain, smoke detector, a smart motion detector, smart door and window sensor, a vacuum cleaner. They also have an air purifier. So you can see that the products that they have are mostly targeted towards homes for this Kala website. And you can see that let's say if I were to click on home and living, these are your vacuum cleaners and air purifiers and your fans. If I were to click on, let's say, kitchen appliances, and they also do sell ovens and mixer and air fryer as well. So it's a wide range of products that this company is providing under the Kala. And let's see, what do they have also. And they also have this thing called the virtual showroom. And so this is where you actually get to see their showroom and what are the products that you can buy for your home that is by color. So from this virtual showroom, you can see that they are selling this table lamp from color, blink camera, a smart home, Wi-Fi mesh, a coffee machine maker, a blender, a wireless speaker, air purifier. So these are their virtual showroom that you are using Metapod to show you how the products that if you need for your home, you can actually get it from them as well. But based on my personal experience wise, I don't really have much interaction with these products. So I'm not too sure how popular it is. So let's look at the financials of Aztec. So based on their revenue wise, their compound annual growth rate is at 6% from 2017 to 2019. And if you were to look at the 9 months period from 2019 9 months to the 2020 9 months period, you can see that there was actually a drop from 326 million to 262 million, which is a drop of 16 million, and that's roughly about a 20% drop across a 9 months period between 2019 to 2020. And if we look at the amount of products sold for IoT devices and data communication products, from 2017 to 2019, the compound annual growth rate of 56.8%. And if you do a comparison for the 9 months between 2019 to 9 months 2020, the amount sold is roughly the same at 215 million. And at the bottom left, you can see their EBITDA margin, and we can see that the margin has been increasing quite well from 5.2% to 15%. And for the 9 months period from 2019 to the 9 months period of 2020, it went up slightly from 14.7% to 16.8%. So what you want to see is the company to always have increasing or improving margins, which shows that they're able to achieve more profits with. So overall, this company, I would say, is not a very strong growth company. It's just doing relatively okay. And if you were to take inflation into account, so technically the company actually made the zero growth. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. Hope you all learned something today. Do remember to give a like and subscribe to my channel. And always do remember to make smarter financial decisions every day. Have a great day ahead, and bye bye.